If you've ever wished you could pull in real-time data from another website or service straight into your WordPress site, like live weather, fresh news, or custom info from your favorite tool, this tutorial is for you. Today, I'll show you how to connect an external API to your WordPress website without writing a single line of code, using a free and popular plugin called WP-Get API. By the end of this video, you'll be able to display up-to-date data anywhere on your site, opening the door to all sorts of possibilities. Let's dive right in. First, why use a plugin? Well, plugins are by far the fastest and easiest way to set up API connections in WordPress, especially if you don't code, or you just prefer not to risk breaking something under the hood. With a plugin like WP-Get API, you get a clean, user-friendly interface to work with, even if you don't know what a REST API is. So our first task is to install WP-Get API. Head to your WordPress dashboard and click on Plugins, then Add New. In the search bar on the right, type in WP-Get API, make sure you get the right one. It's a trusted and popular plugin, especially in the last couple of years. Hit Install Now, wait a few moments for WordPress to do its thing, and then click Activate. If you see the plugin show up in your sidebar, you're in the right place. Once it's activated, you'll see a new menu item labeled WP-Get API in your dashboard. Click on it and then select Setup, here where you create your API connection. Think of this step as introducing your WordPress site to the new data source you want to talk to. All you need to do is give this connection a name, say Weather API or Newsfeed, and then paste in the base URL, which you get from whichever API service you're using. This URL is like the main address for the data provider, so your website will know where to send its requests from now on. After saving your settings, you'll notice a new tab for the API you just added. Click into this tab. Now it's time to add endpoints. These are basically instructions telling your site exactly what you want to retrieve. For example, if you added a weather API, your endpoint might be something like current, or with a news API, it could be latest news. Each endpoint is a unique path where specific data lives. Add as many endpoints as you need, specifying details the API service gives you. If you're ever unsure, there's usually helpful documentation from your API provider, or you can reach out in the comments below and I'll try to help. Once your endpoints are set up, WP-Get API will generate a special shortcode for each one. Shortcodes are a WordPress superpower. They're like little pieces of magic you can drop into your posts and pages wherever you want content to appear. Copy the shortcode for the endpoint you want. Just use the copy button, don't worry about memorizing anything technical, and then head over to your page or post editor. Paste the shortcode right where you want that live data to show up. Update or publish the page and you're done. Go ahead and view your page. You should see the real data pulled in from the API displayed automatically. And that's all there is to it. You've just connected your WordPress site to an external API, no code required. This process might feel a little abstract at first, but the more you experiment with different APIs and endpoints, the more you'll see just how powerful this method really is. If you ran into any snags, drop your questions in the comments. I'll do my best to help out. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing for more clear, practical guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.